Turnouts in tunnels are not usually a good idea, especially if you are a beginner to the hobby. Although turnouts will generally add interest, they can be problematic even at the best of times. Obviously, it's better if you can see what's going on rather than having a turnout hidden away in a tunnel. Hard-to-reach turnouts only make the task of fixing issues more complex, let alone other difficulties associated with maintenance and cleaning. And when laying track, operational issues also need to be considered. Can you be 100% confident the hidden turnout has thrown the right-of-way for the approaching train? If it hasn't, you'll soon know. I don't want to sound negative. If there's no other way to make your plan fit, then a tunnel turnout could be an option. But as long as you are aware of the drawbacks, so you can somehow get access to the inside of the tunnel. Personally, I think the better idea might be to place the turnout to short distance in front of the tunnel entrance and use a double portal, if that's feasible.